2.2 number 10, let's review one more time. A silver dollar is dropped from the top of the building that is 1384 feet tall. Use the position function below for free-falling objects. So they gave you this. They told you free-falling because they know there's no velocity. Starting velocity is what? 0. So I'm gonna right away put that to be what? 0, because it says free falling. I don't give any speed to it. The initial speed is what? Nothing, 0. Next thing, what can I also replace? What information do they give to me? Silver dollar is located where? How high?
13.
Right. So I can also say this is not this number, but actually what number? 1354. Because the building's height is what? 1354, 1,354 feet. Is everybody with me? So far so good? So I can rewrite my position function as what? Negative 16t squared plus what? 1354, 1,354 feet. That is my position function. So far so good? Okay, I'm looking for velocity. What's my velocity means? Velocity is the same as what? Position function, I take what? First derivative. That's what velocity means. Velocity means take a first derivative of position function. So take a derivative of this. Negative 16 times 2 gives you what? Negative 32t. This become a what? 0. So that is your velocity. So far so good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second part. Determine the average velocity on the interval 2, 3. I can do 2 different ways, but I told you I like it better using what? Velocity function. So let's do the C first. Okay, C is asking you to find what? Velocity of a velocity at time equal to 2 and velocity at time equal to what? 3. So over here, velocity at time equal to 2, what do you do? B of 2, which is, I have negative 32t, which is negative 32 times 2 give you what? Negative 64. So that's why you have negative 64 feet per second. What's next one? B of 3 means negative 32 times what? 3, which give you what? 96. That's why you have negative 96. So I already did my C. Can I do my B part? Average means what? Adding those 2 divided by what? 2. So I have negative 64 plus negative 96 divided by 2 gives you which number? Negative 80.
Alright.
Are you with me, class? That's one way. Other way is what? I plug this number into this. I plug this number into that. And subtract the numerator and divide it by what? 3 minus 2, which is longer. I prefer this.
So it's better to work your C before you work
Right. And then
Okay.
the B part.
Cool.
In our case, since we're not using a regular definition, but we're using a what? We already don't have to find velocity. And then you add them together and then what? Divided by 2. Because average means what? You add them and divide it by whatever the number. Our case is only 2 numbers, which give you negative 80. So B and C, they relate to each other. So far, so good?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Moving on to D. D takes a little more work. Okay, find the time required for the coin to reach the ground level. And this is 1354. I'm gonna drop all the way down to where? Bottom. What's my height here?
0.
0. So I'm gonna set which number to 0? Negative 16t squared plus 1354 equal to which number?
0.
0, because the ground level, my height is 0 now.
Okay, I see what I did.
So I'm looking for t squared, so I just subtract 1354, right?
Alright.
So negative 16t squared is equal to negative 1354 divided by negative 16. What's my t squared equal to? Put that in your calculator, what's that equal to?
84.625.
84.625. All right,
take the
So
square
I'm
root of
looking
that.
for T. So what do I
Square root of
do? Take the square root of that, right?
Yeah. So this.
Which give you what number? 9.19.
Are you gonna ask us to round two on the test?
Yeah, the
Alright.
Euro exam says 3 decimals, you better give me 3 decimals. So that's your T. I don't need negative number, right, class? Because there's no such thing as negative time. Even though they gave you two numbers, only thing I want is positive. So you got the T, so that's a D part. And the last part is easy. It says find the velocity at when?
It hit the
Call
ground.
it the impact. So how long did it take to come down? What's the time they require? 9.199. So what I do here is what? V of 9.199, which is give you what? Negative 32 times 9.199. That's equal to which number?
Oh, man.
That number.
That number.
Negative
That's what's up.
294, 374. So that's it.